Hello everyone, it's Barry with Breached. What I have here is a locking pill container. Protects your valuables, prescriptions, medications, and personal items. It is a tubular lock, as you can see the key there. And I'm going to open it and we're going to give this a crack. From brand new, right out of the box. Now, I can go ahead and say ahead of time because I already know this. This is a two-pick process, meaning you have to pick it twice to actually open it. There's that. Here's my keys. Put my box up to the side here. Alright, first things first. Just make sure the key works good in here. Perfect. Alright, now let's lock it back. And let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Let's get up a little bit closer here. Try to readjust my camera. Alright, now let's go around and find us some binders. Nothing. Alright, we are almost open already. There we are. See, it opened once, and it went halfway in between my two lines. Now it's going to have to pick it my second time. And we're almost open. Well, I thought that was it. And there we are. Opened. Well, that didn't take too long, a little under 3 minutes. Well, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And thank you all for joining me and watching me, and I hope you was able to learn anything. Basically, all we did is go around this, and, no, I ain't been there. I was going to say, no, I can't lock it back. Basically, all we did is go around it and find a binder and push each pin in until it's set. Very similar to a pin lock, except these go down instead of where you'd push up or down, you know. These go in. Okay? Alright, thanks everyone. You have a good night.